Ex-President Yoon-Suk-Yeol could be facing the death penalty after being expelled from office last year following an ill-fated martial law declaration that shocked many Koreans and global onlookers alike. Yoon is accused of seeking to hold on to power through control of the judiciary and legislature. The final hearing of his trial at Seoul-Central-District-Court ran for 11 hours, only wrapping up at 2:25 a.m. Wednesday. And then came the prosecution's final remarks and sentencing recommendation. The special counsel team claimed Yoon had been driven by a lust for power aimed at dictatorship and long-term rule, adding that he threatened the very existence of the nation, whose people were the greatest victims. As the prosecution called for the death penalty, the court broke into a mix of laughter and protests from Yoon's supporters. It was not a military dictatorship that suppresses citizens, but an effort to safeguard freedom and sovereignty and revive the constitutional order, Yoon insisted, as he portrayed himself as the victim of a purge. We should note, South Korea hasn't actually carried out the death penalty this century, so even if that's what's handed down when the court announces Yoon's fate on February 19th, it would be seen as the toughest sentence available without actually expecting his execution. Late former President Chun-Doo-hwan also stood trial on insurrection charges in 1996, and his initial death sentence was changed to life in prison not long before he was granted a pardon and released. In Chun's case, he rose to power in a coup and was leader during a violent crackdown on pro-democracy protesters. The special counsel team's also seeking life imprisonment for ex-defense minister Kim-Yong-hyun, who's accused of being at one with Yoon's insurrection planning and execution. Lengthy sentences are additionally being sought for several former police and military leaders.